right, so here's a video of everything I want cut. So you can see there's a light post here with power lines going through this to the back. We have all these trees. There's the property line right about here. All these trees overhanging the driveway. I want to get rid of everything that overhangs the driveway.